Hi Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Welcome or welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection energy reading for end of January 2021 with me, Ivy Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Hi Leo, so let's look at into your energy and your person energy on your twin flame and soulmate connection from now until the end of January 2021. I've got the 10 of cups coming up for you here, Leo. Also Leo, please know that this is a collective general energy reading, therefore it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you, Leo, please kindly consider checking your sun, your moon, your rising, and your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, don't forget to hit that like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. Okay, so on this side here, Leo, will be your energy, and on this side here will be your person energy. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. Now, the sign that I'm getting here, I'm getting a very strong Leo energy, which is your energy here. Fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. I'm also getting a very strong water energy, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, and then I'm also getting a very strong air energy coming up here as well, Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini. Okay, so let's look at into your energy here, Leo. I've got the 10 of cups, I've got the 10 of pentacles coming up here, and the page of cups, as well as the overall energy, the king of wands. I've also got the 4 of wands coming up here. Wow, I've got the 4 of wands and the lovers card coming up here for you, Leo. So for those of you who actually might have just met someone and does not know what kind of connection, but you just feel like a very strong attraction, a very strong familiarity here, and you just feel like you have known as if you have known this person for eternity, even though you might have just met them for 5 minutes or 10 minutes here. Then with this 4 of wands and the lovers energy, this is my personal confirmation of a twin flame energy. This is basically talking about your divine counterpart or divine soulmate. So the first answer that I have for you here is that yes, this person is definitely your true twin flame or your true divine counterpart here, Leo. So congratulations on that. Now let's look at into your energy first here. Now with this page of cups energy, the first thing that I'm getting here is that there could be a significant age gap between both of you. If not a significant age gap, this could also be a little bit of immaturity, I would say here, Leo. Now even though I've got this from your side here, again the immaturity could be coming up from your side, could also be coming up from your person's side here, since this is a general energy. Now with this page of cups energy, another word that I'm getting keep on coming to me here is that hopeless romantic. So one of you here could also be hopeless romantic, or one of you here can just want to keep on expressing yourself, just want to keep on expressing your emotion. I do feel like you are the type here that to just shower your emotion. You cannot, you just cannot stop showering your emotion. You just cannot stop showing your emotion, I would say here, Leo. So this is just how you are, I would say here, just how you are functioning, I would say here. Now this could be a little bit overwhelming to the other person, or this just could be a little bit of too much here, because I feel like with their energy there might not be someone who is too much open with expressing themselves. They might not be too much open with expressing their emotion here as well. Now for a specific group of you here, Leo, I'm getting a separation energy, especially with this 7 of pentacles, and I'm also getting a very strong impatient energy coming up from your side as well here, Leo. So it's some of you here could also be in a separation since 7 weeks, 7 months, 7 years. For a specific group of you here could also be since last July, I would say here. Now this 7 of pentacles energy, it's you keep on checking out your phone, or you keep on checking out your social media pages, you keep on checking out your email and seeing that, okay, is this person going to message me today, is this person going to message me today, all those energies. So it's kind of like a little bit obsessive, I would also say here, Leo. So this is also another thing that you need to let go. Now of course I do understand that you're expecting them to come towards you, you're expecting them to message you here, and that's totally fine, there is nothing wrong with that. But when you are obsessing too much, or when you're focusing your energy too much on waiting and waiting and waiting here, what is going to happen here is that you're just going to keep on waiting, because when you're waiting for something to happen and then it did not happen, most likely it's just going to make you feeling frustrated, sadness, irritation here, and now that's already going to be affecting your emotion, that's already going to be affecting your mentality for throughout the day. You will be starting out the day feeling sad, you will be starting out the day feeling a little bit heartbroken here. It's important that you need to understand that the time that you plant the seed is not the time that you eat the fruit here. As you can see here in this picture, they've just like planted out the seed, and as you can see here, it's not really growing up, but as you can see here, the root is growing up. So you need to know here that whenever you want to plant something here, the first thing that you need to focus on here is that let the root grow and let the root be grounded into the ground first, and then after that the tree is going to grow into with a stable and stronger foundation. So this is also the same thing in your relationship, in this particular twin flame and soulmate connection here, Leo. So this is something that you need to understand. Yes, there is definitely going to be a union between both of you here. Yes, 100% both of you are definitely going to be together. I've got the 10 of Cups energy coming up here. Happy home, happy family, happy relationship. So this is definitely going to happen. The thing here is that it just may take a little bit longer than you initially expected, I would say here, Leo. And sometimes you just need to let it grow. Sometimes you just like need to release that control energy and just release that expectation energy here, because it's like if you keep on waiting and waiting and waiting, if you keep on like watering the plant here, what might happen is just like going to die, or it's just like going to take longer time to grow, and we do not want that to happen. The union between you and your person is 100% going to happen, but somehow I'm getting like it just may take a little bit some time, and a little bit of patience and surrendering is needed from your energy here, Leo. Now let's look at into your person energy here. I've got the Ace of Cups, I've got the Four of Swords coming up here. I've also got the Seven of Swords coming up here as well. So I feel like for a very, very specific group of you here, your person is the one who actually walked away from this connection and walked away from this relationship, because they might be feeling too much overwhelmed with everything that is currently going on here. Again, could be with the way that you are reacting with your emotion, the way that like you might be expressing yourself here, like it's just like kind of getting overwhelmed and getting too much with your person. Now I'm not saying that you are to blame, there is nothing wrong with expressing yourself. You actually need to express yourself, you actually need to express your emotion, but at the same time here, Leo, you also need to find a way positively and safely expressing that emotion here. Now at this point of time with this Four of Swords energy, it's like your person have decided to just not do anything. They're kind of like in this resting energy, I would say here, Leo. They are like in this resting energy, I would say here, Leo. So it's like they've come to this particular decision that they just want to rest for a minute. Like they do not want to worry, and they do not want to being stressful with all this connection, because they have already come to this particular decision that okay, this is time to take a break, this is time to just take a breath here. I need to see what I can do, I need to see like what I need to settle in within myself first. Yeah, I feel like they are kind of like getting I'm getting a very strong overwhelming energy coming up here in this connection. So this is the time that they are stepping back just to take a breather. Now when they are when they are stepping back here, does not mean it's completely the end. It's just like sometimes a separation, sometimes like a break is needed, because this is the time when both of you can realize, okay, is this really what I want? Is this really worth it here? So all those questions will be coming up, and like the distance will make the heart grow fonder, as you may know that quote. So this is also what's going to make them missing you here as well, you. So you don't have to worry about the distance currently between both of you. You don't have to worry that they are stepping back for a minute here, because I've got the Seven of Swords. As you can see here, they are going to come back here. So even though it may seem that they want to explore other things, they want to explore their life here, at the end they will always look back to you, and at the end like they will always, their heart will always be looking back to you here. So Leo, even though they are not even though at this point of time there is a distance between both of you here, so they will always keep on looking back at you. Their heart will always keep on, like calling you, keep on, like wanting them to come back to you here, Leo. And that's why also I've got the Ace of Cups energy coming up here. This is basically talking about a new beginning. This is how they're actually feeling towards you here. They have a lot of emotion towards you. They want to be with you here. They want to have this union to happen between both of you here, Leo. And this is also, I've got the Page of Pentacles. Now it's quite interesting with this Page of Pentacles energy. As you can see here, this boy is just like working on, like making some sort of experiment, working on themselves. So this is how exactly what your person desires. This is how exactly the reason why they're actually taking a step back here. Not because they hate you, not because they does not want to be with you here. I do feel like this is the time, and this particular energy happened with everyone, I would say here, Leo. So this is just the time that you and your person needed to take a step back here, to just look into yourself, both of you here looking into yourself here, to see what are the things that you can work on yourself, what are the things that they can work on themselves here. Because unless and until both of you work on yourself here, this is why I've got the Root energy again, I've got in the beginning of the reading. Both of you need to make sure that the foundation of this situation, the foundation of this connection and this relationship here is strong and stable. To make sure that you have a strong foundation, like in this relationship and in this situation here, is that you need to make sure that you yourself is also grounded. You yourself also understand how is it that you're projecting, how is it that you're expressing yourself, how is it that you're handling your emotion. Same also with your person. So this is why this time, like this separation, or at least this time apart, is definitely needed for both of you here, Leo. So don't worry. Yes, they are taking a step back at this point of time, but their heart will always be looking out for you. Their heart will always look back to you here, and their heart will always belong to you here, Leo. So you don't have to worry on that. So that's it for your reading. I hope it resonates. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.